braids in her hair. Steady breeze, and though I was falling out, follow her anywhere. The sky turned gray and the flash flood warning. She smiled and she took my hand. She kissed my lips and the rain came pouring. So I
Ladies,
heard the marching band.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, y'all. Yup, hup. Hello. Hi, P-Dids. Hi. How are y'all? Happy Sunday. Whew. I forgot water. Can you believe that? Also, hi Shreep. Hi Sophia. Sophia, thank you so much for the resub. Are you kidding me? Have we already been friends for 3 months? I cannot believe that. It feels like it's been a lifetime. Hi T, how are you? Hi best boy, how are you? How's Sunday for y'all? Happy everything to everybody. I thought I could get away with wearing my new glasses. New glasses that are like literally like a year and a half old, but I was already not liking it. OMG. Oh my goodness, hello. Hi. Hi, Goth. How are you? Hi, Sumi. Gears, I literally just got started. You're amazing. Best boy, you're doing good. Sorry I haven't been able to watch recently. No worries. We're still here. You haven't missed anything. Hi, pet. How are you? Goth cut off with the raid. Got cut off. Not that. That's so funny. Coordinated strike from Goth. Goth, I had to start getting ready for stream. My glands are fogging up. How was the rest of Lethal Company? My makeup is on point. Thank you. Today is green. Out of the rainbow that I am doing. I think that means yesterday was blue. Today's green. Tuesday will be... Is it yellow before green? Roy G. Yes, yellow. Lots of death, and also you're looking beautiful as could be. Aw, you're so sweet. I could never look as good as your beautiful VTuber. Y'all, I need to literally step away for 5 milliseconds because I forgot water and I'm already dying of thirst because Goth is here and they just know. Shreep, thank you for the 30 biddies to make that emote giant. I love it. The nurse is coming for y'all. Don't even think you're safe for a moment. Pet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I have kind of been ignoring indigo. Also, boo, tomorrow is Monday, right? What's with that? Can't the week just like take a hint? Like, I think we all need an extra day of the weekend, and I think everyone would benefit from that. Okay, I need to go get water. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna die of thirst.
ladies.
Hello, I am back. And also yeah, I do my schedule is the reason I said Tuesday. But that's funny. Cuz I'm doing it during stream, obviously. I could do it during real life, but nobody would see it cuz I don't see people enough. Anyways, yeah, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday. So Tuesday and Wednesday will be yellow, orange. Yeah. We do really need to say thank you next Monday. Like, goodbye. Like, we'll see you in a few weeks, okay? Monday. And actually, you don't need to write us. If I had the energy, I absolutely would stream on Mondays. I'm pretty sure y'all know that my goal is to add another day to my schedule. But I think in terms of what would be reality, I think it would be adding Thursday. Otherwise, I think it would just be too many days in a row for me. Because that would be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Mondays you have reserved for my weekly mental breakdown, and you can't cancel that again. What is that, like from the Oh, the Grinch. That's a reference to the Grinch. Yeah, the Grinch. I'm glad you knew what I was making a reference to before my brain even knew what I was referencing. Yep, by guest star, do you mean like I don't stream? I just play games with Goth while they stream on Monday? Also, T, how are you doing? I hope you're having a lovely Sunday evening. I hope watching Goth die was very exciting. Also, hi, Shreep. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you had fun playing Lethal Company. Oh, y'all, I have to spend some blood points. Bear with me. Also, I don't know if anybody else heard my goal. My goal is to get all characters basically to have 10 cobblers because I like to punish myself for having goals. And yup, the glasses I was wearing were new. However, they're like over a year old, and they're the ones that I just don't feel comfortable wearing because they don't sit on my face in a way that's comfortable. Like, it's sensory nightmare because one side of my cheek, one side of my face, the glasses touch my cheek, and the other side it doesn't, and it's just a nightmare. Also, Ghoul Misfit, hello. How are you? How are you doing, Ghoul? I added you on Discord so we could coordinate some ghost detecting. And also, hi, P-Dids. Welcome back, P-Dids. I hope you're doing well. I hope your stream is going wonderful. I just don't get why, the hair first command just is never working for you, even though you come in, like, third every time. Goodness. And Light is being a potato, which is very cute. It's hard to brain. You are telling me, my God, like, talk about thank you next Monday. Thank you next brain. Like, my brain has left the station and it was playing baseball. Pet, my goal is to P3 all characters and get Michaela to P100. Got all the survivors to P3 and Michaela to P80 so far. Damn, are you kidding me? You got you get a TikTok. Oh, you get on TikTok. Yes, I do. I love TikTok. They have a gorgeous giant water bottle that is shiny rainbow. Really? For Pride, I'm guessing. I love that. I haven't seen it on TikTok yet, though. But also, Goth, my brain is all over the place. We do need to play Lethal Company. T, it was funny. I died a lot too. I hope you're having a swell Sunday. My Sunday is swell. It's been I feel much more rested than I had the previous day from my long ass day on Friday. I'm always glad to have you on as a guest star. It'd be an honor. You'll have to turn your volumes down for every time I scream bloody murder. T, I'm glad you're rested. Me too. Are you kidding? Being tired is just a bad recipe. Managing emotions is harder when you're tired. The depression creeps in. It's just too much. I'll link it to Goth so she can forward it to you. Thank you. Yes, please. I need to see this.
Let's go, Joe.
My heart. Jesus Christ. Benji, hello. How are you? Happy Sunday, Benji. How are you doing? How's the gay? Also, Pet, I am proud to say that I have P3'd all my characters for quite a while now. It was like my first goal when I started streaming and playing DBD and stuff. Actually, more like since they updated the P3 system. I was playing before they updated the system, and I'm still kind of grumpy about the new system, but it's fine. I have to have a problem with everything. It's not true. I can have criticisms of things and still enjoy it. Who says I can't? Anyways. So it's like, I don't know. I cannot commit to P100ing somebody. I don't know why it feels like such a commitment, but it do. Goth, I'm always glad to have you on as a guest star. It'd be an honor. Well, I can't wait. I mean, I'm gonna cry. Benji, oh, I'm sorry. Was that too loud? Is the sound command that I created and also set the volume, is that too loud? Yes. Somehow you've played it too loud and it's your fault. Benji, chat, did y'all hear the good news? Witchling got gangbanged by some zombies. Yes, Witchling, a gay after my own heart. Benji, without the details, people are gonna have assumptions.
Ladies.
It was so funny. But I was too scared to use the words gangbang, unlike Benji. Benji, you're so brave. There's the clip. So you have some context for this gangbang. Zach, thank you so much for the lurk, friend. Shania Twain is a vibe though, right, Pet? And Pet, I don't know if you're familiar with RuPaul's Drag Race, but that sound command is like half and half. Half Shania, half RuPaul Drag Race Queen reference. Pet, I have had a hard time doing it since I am so focusing on Michaela, and I never play Killer enough to remember to dump points into them. That's fair. I personally wish I played Killer a little bit more. I still identify as a Killer main, even though like 98% of the time I'm playing Survivor. I don't think I'll be able to tomorrow, unfortunately. My mom is home from the hospital, and my dad goes back to work tomorrow. And she literally asked me to come stay with her, and I was like, taking care of you and making sure you're safe? Ugh, fine. So I don't know what I'll be doing tomorrow. Sounds like a lot of driving. But also Pet, I am like obsessed with Michaela and Sable and Renato. And so how can I choose one survivor to P100? It's too much. It's too much. I don't want to choose a favorite. They'll be mad at me. Sable will be mad when I choose Renato. And Michaela will be like, I'm literally P99 and you chose to P100 Renato. I'm offended. That would be Michaela right there. Yup, motherfucking 8. What do you mean? When Benji scared me? Zach, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for lurking and hanging out and catching your Setodile. Goth, this what we love. This is what I want. Benji, I say the sexual things everyone else is too afraid to say. It's true. It's true. And so, Goth, this is what we love. This is what I want. Right? We need to normalize it, y'all. Humans have sex. Sex? In my stream? Humans don't have sex. What?
Ladies. Show me the gay.
I'm obsessed with sound commands. Can you tell? Oh, wait. Have I gone past 10? Probably. 25? Why didn't anybody stop me? Ace doesn't deserve to have 25. Actually, I think I've spent enough. I can queue up. I'm catching up. Hold on. What has happened? Pet, I would have screamed too. Right? That was terrifying. Why were there so many zombies? And Sable is the same as with Michaela, right? It's true. I love Michaela because I resonate with her spiritually. I love Hattie because we share body types. I love Hattie. Hattie doesn't have enough skins. She needs more skins, I think. Because she's beautiful and I love her. I have Hattie. What's she at? She's at tier 4 for me. I like these colors on her. Like this purple is iconic. I love it. But, I'm gonna play Renato because I know the build he has right now. Yeah, pup. Wait. If Benji is allowed to say sex things, can I say them too? Well, let's take note that Benji didn't say sexual things directed at somebody. They were about zombies. But if you want to say sexual phrasing, sure. If you want to use sexual words, go for it. Benji, just like Quicks being shocked, our convo going from Santana from Glee. We were literally like, R.I.P. Santana. That was such a tragedy. That actor was so talented and she could have gone so far. And then we literally changed the subject to Magic Mike running a train on us. Well, mostly on you. I just wanted that one actor to destroy me, is what I said.
Gay?
Gay.
Goth. Is that Cascade I hear? It's actually not. Although I think it's the same song. It's like a cover. It does sound like her, though. But apparently the woman's name is Nikki Flores. Wish me luck.
Looking spooky out there.
It looks like it's Vecnussi. Yes, I have. It's so good.
Gay?
Gay.
Are you kidding? You haven't seen it, Goth? You need to get on it. Uh-oh. Stuck in. We got the head on, ladies. Okay. What a great way to start that. Oh, she got found still? When I head on him, she should have jumped out of the locker as well. Benji, true, you just wanted one and I wanted them all. Exactly. I think it was Alex Pettifer that I was thirsting for. Have y'all seen him in Beastly? Also Elizabeth, I think, no, it's not Elizabeth. It's actually Mary-Kate or Ashley is in Beastly as the witch, and I love their aesthetic so much. Manipulate? Goth, it's already got my heart. Jax Jones and Cascada, you better believe it. It's a really good song. But also, the music I play on stream is DMCA safe, so Twitch doesn't get mad at me when I play this playlist, at least. And it's full of The Midnight and Gunship, and they do some covers of songs, and I'm like, I love it. Well, this is a fast game. What's that girl doing in the basement? What a waste. Pet, I found a playlist that stated copyright free, but I still got muted occasionally. I also get muted, and it's literally like by accident, I guess you could say. And so they have the appeal option, and I literally appeal it, and they do it every time. Yeah, Benji, I don't like being muted because they don't mute the correct portion. So I have vetted this playlist, and if they mute me, I have like whatever evidence from the artists. Like I got all the receipts. But either way, every time I dispute something, they always unmute it. And I'd rather them unmute it than have that just on my account. But also, I'm a person who saves my VODs, and I use them and move them to YouTube and stuff. So like I do more than that. Pug butt, right? I wish he would turn around, but I'm not gonna make him. Benji, but there is a way you can make it where you can still play music, but it doesn't show up in the VOD. OBS has some like weird beta option for like streaming your music on a different channel for that exact reason or something, and I'm like, it hurts my brain. Is multi-streaming like streaming to Twitch and YouTube at the same time? Yes, gotcha. I don't know nothing about streaming to YouTube and how they are. Are they really strict with the DMCA stuff? I'm sure they are. Why wouldn't they be? But also, I've streamed Fortnite before, and Fortnite is like swarming with DMCA music, like Taylor Swift, Lady Gaga, etc. And when I streamed, I kept playing my playlist, and it was able to avoid all of the DMCA Twitch modding shenanigans. I don't know. I want plot twist, but I also want to keep this. Pet, I currently do Twitch and Kick. I plan to attempt to expand to YouTube. Kick? What's that? I haven't heard of Kick. What? I've never heard of this. It seems newer. I'll say that. In the way that it literally says Kick Beta. Yeah. It literally looks just like Twitch. Unlike Trovo, I think. Hi, Sophia.
Lady.
Thank you for this resub, Sophia. Can you believe we've been friends for 3 months already? It feels like it's been a lifetime. Hi, Emma. How are you? Thank you for the lurk. Also, is it Amma? Emma. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I hope you're doing well. Happy Sunday. Thank you for the lurk. Pet, Kick is the...
Again.
Oh my god, you look so good. I want the pink hair. It actually got a lot of... Oh wait, Kick is the streaming platform that a lot of streamers were going to when Twitch started getting super strict with their streaming and stingy in payouts. Really? Whoa. Are you kidding me? Really? I've never heard of Kick. I had only heard of like Trovo. Trovo? And I didn't really like their streaming platform necessarily. I'm a professional lurker. Me too. Let me tell you, I appreciate people like us. Also, either pronunciation is fine. Sounds good. Well, I hope you're doing lovely. I did see you streaming earlier, and I wasn't able to make it, but I hope your streaming of the What was it? The Outlands was fun and not scary. And no, Benji. Oh my god, look at this guy. It's so cute. Ooh. It's so cute. Yes, it is. I've never seen it so out in the open. That was such a coincidence that I just found that. Friends till the end. Are you kidding me? Watch this head on. Sucker. Ah! Well, I said sucker too fast. Hi, Big Mama. Trovo is correct. I had to look into their platform as well, but it just seemed too much. Right. And Benji, you never heard of Quick. I remember Trovo because of Grim Zebra. That's exactly why I knew about Trovo. And he was like instant, like the second Twitch was doing that stuff, he was like, switch, I get Trovo. Which is fine. I couldn't even do it. I couldn't even lurk. It literally would announce lurkers by default. And I'm like, no, thank you. I lurk, and if I want you to know I'm there, I'll let you know. Emma, I am doing good, thank you. Also, stream went well. I beat the main story of Outer Wilds. Outer Wilds, not Outer Lands, my bad. I'll do the DLC probably next week because I have a charity event for most of this week. Ooh. Well, I hope the charity event goes very well. Is it a streaming charity event? Are you streaming? Or is it a streaming charity event in a different way? Which reminds me, I also have a charity event coming up. Not for me personally, but a friend of mine. I was gonna come save you. Also, I hate Friends till the end. Sucker. Oh, she has a hex totem. Not that it really matters. What? How did she see me? I can't believe that. Benji, don't you say a word. It's so stressful. Goth, I'm off to watch some animes. You have a lovely stream, dear. Thank you so much, Goth. Thank you for hanging out and for showing me Lethal Company. It looks so scary, but I'm excited to watch. I mean, to play. Private Panda, hello. I was told to come back here for the next day of makeup. Oh yeah, let me show you. It's green today. Ladies.
Ladies.
And then Tuesday is going to be yellow. We have done the math. We have calculated. We've used algebra to figure out that Tuesday will be yellow. Yes. It's the VTuber Summer Slam with Gamers Outreach. Oh, it's the 26th to the 30th. I love that. Benji, LOL, how did she see me out in the open in front of a lit totem? That's crazy. Benji, I told you not to say anything because you're always right. You're always right. I guess I won't invite them. That's funny. Panda cute. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Green with envy. I see what you did there. P-Dids, hello. How are you? Thank you so much for the raid. Are you kidding me? You come back, you stream, and you even raid me. You're spoiling me. I've missed you so much. How are you doing? How are the games for
Marshmallow
you?
in the house. Now put a burger in my mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
Savage, hello. Thank you so much for the follow, Savage. I appreciate you. I hope everyone's having a lovely Sunday. Raheen, hello. Hi, Unicorn. How you doing? Oh, snipers are back in Fortnite, Sophia? Damn, they took your feedback. Raheen, thank you for the 100 biddies, friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But I need some Faz. When are you free? I'm free ASAP because I also need Phasmo in my life. Sophia, it's so powerful it can knock someone with one shot. No, I don't like that because then I'm the one being one shot. But to P-Dids, maybe like Tuesday, Wednesday, if you wanted to do it with my stream. If you wanted to do it any other day, just let me know.
Ladies.
Yeah, how was your trip? Wish me luck, everybody.
Did you? I mean, whatever.
Hi, Virtual Fluids. How are you? Hey, this is the Leon. And you love the fit? Thank you. Good luck. I hear that we're against the Twins, so my condolences. But so far, I think this is my third game, and I've been live for an hour. I think that can tell you how fast these games have been. Ah! What is she doing here? Why is she so silent? Ah! Are you kidding me? She's coming. Ah! Now it's a setup. Raheen, love you, buddy. I'm going to get some sleep. I have a doctor's visit in the morning. Well, I hope you have a lovely sleep, Raheen. Get some sleep. I hope the appointment goes well and smoothly and it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Sleep well, Raheen. We'll talk to you soon. Same, I would get sniped first, right? Also snipped, both. The trip was good, much needed to see family. Oh, I'm so glad you got to see your family. I hope it was a lovely visit. Ah! Sucker! You didn't think I saw you fast enough, which I probably almost didn't. Let's try to head on her again. I should have sent y'all the pictures, but My yeah. I love it. I don't like robbing people of their first hook. It's kind of, I hate that feeling. Sophia, I've killed 2 people instantly and knocked 1. No! You're already a menace to society. Ooh, also after this, after this game, there will be an ad. 3 insta-kills. Oh my god, the way your life is complete now. He's so handsome. How come their songs sound different? Yeah, we all have it. I love it so much. That's your boyfriend, the Yui? Wait, that's Yoon Jin. Oh my god, that skin is Leon. That's a very handsome Leon. Come over here. Leon, no. Do you think she'll bring her over here? No. Come over here, Leon. Yes, yes, yes! Haha, sucker! Oh, it's so chaotic. P-Dids, they are very dapper, right? Oh, somebody saboed. Ooh. These survivors are bringing out all the stops. Benji, I'm not toxic with robbing someone of first hook. I'm toxic with continuously head-oning them, Witchling. I feel called out. Did I actually say that? I love it. Oh, Benji said that. I see, I see, I see. No! Ah! No! 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 Ah! Outplayed. It's not fair. Do they have a Mori? they do everything as siblings. How nice.
Ladies.
Wow. You fucking hate that! That her boob came out and killed us. Just kidding, that's her brother. Because that makes everything better. Really? I only got 50K? Wow. Well, oh, I see. Well, I'm still confused that there's no Yui, it's a Yunjin. So, but I'm guessing that's your boyfriend. Makes sense. Vitual fluids and then lethal fluids. Y'all are adorable. I caught up. I understand what's happening. Also, not Sophia with the insta-kills, 3 of them. Yeah, not the Yui. The game showed me the wrong name. No worries. That was so funny. Well, I hope y'all had fun in that 2-second twins game. But GG's, I still had fun. It was good. That was great. I don't know if you saw me do those head-ons and then that terrible head-on. Benji, I'm speaking the truth and what? LOL. No, you didn't. I made it up. I might as well have said it. Just like Yupup says. But, Fluids, GG's, good luck in y'all's future matches. Happy anniversary, DBD. There's like one little piece of hair that's driving me crazy. I can't fix it. Ooh, this person's name is Nasty Nick. Yeah, pup. Have you been to Sunnyside lately? They have the hella good punch card. And I was like, a punch card? That's stupid. But then when I was actually doing it, I'm like, damn, these deals. Sophia, I have a confession to make. I have not grinded DVD in like 3 days. Oh! Damn. I don't think you have any excuses. Another Mori. Just kidding. Well, DVD? DVD is waiting for you. Hi, Unsung Medley. Good luck, have fun to you as well. I like your Nia skin. Oh my god, it's Bird Lady. Ah! How did she not see us? Are you kidding? Okay. I want this one. Whoopsies. Yeah, pup, what question did you ask me? Have you been to Sunnyside lately? And if you have you used their punch card? Because punch cards are usually lame as fuck, but their punch card is actually really good and has really good deals. Yup, Hup. Enough people at work complained that my candy jar being mostly sour that I made an M&M mix for them. I have so many M&Ms right now. Ooh. If I did M&Ms for the office, I would do the minis. That scared me. Sophia. Oh no. P-Dids, yup, Pup, thank you for the water redemptions. I swear I'm not ignoring you. I need to get more water soon. Now I'm definitely gonna need more water. Come on. I think she knows I'm in this locker. Maybe not. Guess not. Oh my god, the pretzel M&Ms are so good. Are you kidding me? I love pretzel M&Ms, but I think mini M&Ms might be my favorite of the M&M canon. Peanut butter are your favorite? And not even like regular peanut M&Ms, the peanut butter M&Ms? Interesting. Oh my god, she fell down. Stick it. Ah! Oh, do you think she saw me? Yes, I do. Oh, maybe not. I'm such a troll. Aww. Aw, the ad never played. Lazy, lazy, lazy. P-Dids, you're going to bed. Good night. I love you. Thank you so much for the raid. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Andrew, hope the games get better. Thank you, thank you. Sleep well, P-Dids. Welcome home. I hope George isn't mad at you for too long. Yup, Pup. Mini peanut butter. There's mini peanut butters? Peanut butter M&Ms are superior in all forms. Pet, put peanut butter into just popcorn. It is so good. Perfect mix of salty and sweet. That's a good idea. That sounds delicious. Finish healing me. Benji, I'm heading to bed. Have a good stream and good night. Thank you, Benji. Thank you, thank you, thank you for hanging out. And thank you for the 50 biddies earlier. I appreciate you. I hope you have a good night's sleep. Come on, let me head on you. You know where I'm hiding. Wait, is she upstairs? Oh, no. Ah! I'm such a jerk. This doorway isn't big enough for the two of us. Oh my god, why? Why am I like this? Why? 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 Oh, she just got blast minded. Oh my god. Hi, Shreep! OMG, an artist? Yeah, can you believe it? But she's doing really well, and my head-ons are applying directly to her bird head. No! Oh, she's not gonna carry somebody. But how are you doing, Shreep? I hope you're not mad about that clip I made of you. You're doing good. How about myself? I am doing pretty good today. No! Oh, another Mori! I forgot! Had I known, I would have moved to a better place. Damn. Damn, damn, double damn. But also today I am feeling much more rested than I was yesterday. I was exhausted from the day before. So yeah, today's been real chill, and it's been getting back to the groove of working on stream videos and stuff like that. So it's been nice. I stayed up till like 3 in the morning yesterday, and now I'm like complaining about being tired. Like, so I guess it's my fault. But I was playing Phasmo, trying to get the weekly challenge done, and I just couldn't do it. It was too hard. Are the Moris insta-kill tonight? They are not. The people are bringing the Moris, and they're still having to get people to double hook. I think that's what you're asking. But these Moris are the typical Moris. It's an offering. Also, Shreep, LOL, I'm not mad. That is my finest moment. It was so good. Ooh, also, I'm gonna BRB real quick. I need to go grab new water to drink Unicorn's water redemption. BRB.
Ladies.
I come back, and what do I find? I find that y'all want me to be drowning in fluids. Oink. But thank you for the water redemptions. Let me get this. I'm at, I know how much waters I'm at. Not really. Thank you for counting them for me. I see you, unicorn. Also, I feel like that puts me down to like 5. But then unicorn just did 1, so 6. God damn you. Can I have this one? So pretty. Nice booty. Oh, it's the Xenomorph. Since when? Wait, I want the invitation. Yum, 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 invitation. Y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight. If anybody would like to, the Discord is very much open. I understand if people are hesitant to join because they have so many Discords. I get it. I get it. Ooh, yup up. Have I told you to watch Autopsy of Jane Doe? Ooh, it's the Xenomorph Queen.
Ladies.
Ladies, she's a queen. Shreep! There absolutely is a Discord, and you're absolutely welcome. I can't believe Goth didn't tell you that there's a Discord. You have not, but it's on my watch list. Oh, really? I highly recommend it. It's so good, and I wish it was me who had the theories, but it's literally from the podcast I listen to, where I'm like, I subscribe to literally everything this person says, and it is so interesting when you think about it in those ways. Which I'm sure if you ever watch it, we'll talk about it.
Someone's lucky.
I'm coming to save you. Just give me 1 2-minute period. Y'all, if any of you like horror, I highly recommend the movie Autopsy of Jane Doe.
Celebrating something special.
Whoa, I thought I put the pellet there, but I activated quiet mode. Oopsies. No! You saw that distance. Are you kidding me? She's so pretty. What? Aw, they ran past me. I think because of the Xenomorph, I really think they could do a dinosaur chapter, don't you? Like a velociraptor killer? Or something. Shreep, I love Xenomorph Queen so much. Me too. There were a couple of the other skins that I really wanted, but no, I had to get the Yeah, like a Jurassic Park licensed killer would be so good. Gotcha. Twisted your... Oh. My bad. Is it still after me? But yeah, Jurassic Park licensed killer, wouldn't that be incredible? Or like, it could be one of the other newer dinosaurs they have. Just a T-Rex, could you imagine? No, but I could imagine them having like a couple, I don't know, different kinds of dinosaurs or something. And then they have the new survivor, the paleontologist. They're an intrepid archaeologist, paleontologist. You know? They have to be intrepid, though. If they're not intrepid, is it real? Oh! Ooh, this is my chance to head on them. Oh, that was cool. What happened? I love them. Weird. Why'd they let me live? Whoops. What is happening? What's their plan? Can't cage me. Shreep, what is your wildest survivor and killer request? Ones that would likely never actually happen. They could each be from separate franchises. That's tough.
I wouldn't hang around here too long.
I'm so sorry, Xeno Queen. Cause I have like a serious one in terms of like actual horror, but then I have like excuse me, my silly but also actually very real desire, which is basically Scooby-Doo. I think Scooby-Doo would be incredible. I think there's a lot of Scooby-Doo villains they can't do, but a lot of them they could. Ah! Ooh, Lucifer is incredible. From the way I just said Lucifer, so vague. Dean and Sam Winchester versus Lucifer, God / Chuck. I think that's a great idea. Give me Castiel. I need it. But yeah, Scooby-Doo I think would be really incredible. And I think they could literally get away with doing Scooby as a survivor, or like a cosmetic perhaps. But Scooby and Shaggy, or like Shaggy and Velma, incredible. Daphne would have to be in there too. And then all the straights would be like, where's Fred? And we would be like, Fred's gay. But yeah, I think there's a lot of Scooby-Doo villains that would be very, very cool. In terms of my like serious answer, they're cute. Are they gonna let me live? Oh yeah, so my real one is the Nun. I think the Nun would be a very, very good killer. And I think like any Conjuring universe chapter would be really cool. But I think the Nun in particular would be the best. Sorry, Adam. I might not be a huge fan of the first Nun movie, but I am like #1 fan in the Nun fan club of the second movie. People shout on it, and I think it was just misogyny. You're telling me that a Conjuring movie with child death isn't incredible? Shreep, I am surprised they haven't done one yet, honestly. A Spawn chapter, ooh, that would be incredible. Redeemer or Violator as the killer, or even one of the various Spawns. That would be so cool. Talk about movies I haven't seen and need to see. But I know what you're talking about. Ooh, that was so close. Turn around. I think the reason they haven't done one is the cost. My Conjuring universe has to be so expensive. And then my other thought was Train to Busan. Don't you think that would be a really good chapter? Eee, the little head nods. Oh, they're helping. Is there a gen over here? Right? Oh my goodness. They would be incredible. Could you? They would never do a pregnant survivor. I don't know how they would do like a killer power or like what. Or if it would be like a frenzy kind of killer power, like Legion or something. Love you, killer. Meow. Lay down. Lay down. Over here. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. No, you should turn around. Over there. He moved 0 inches. Yay! We actually got some blood points that game. Man, did we ever. We have to go spend them now. I have to spend some blood points right about now. Oh, I forgot to do more of my drinks. I think I have like 2 or 3 more. Let's see, what is killer app? Daquan, GG's, you were the Atom. I'm really glad that the Xenomorph decided to be suddenly friendly with us. I don't know what changed their mind. But I hope you got as many blood points as I did. I got like 200k from that match. GG's, friend. I hope you have good games in your future matches. Where was I? The Wraith has 7. 8. 9. 10. Also, Shreep, thinking about it, I do think The Nun is my answer for the serious version. Although I do really want Scooby-Doo. But I remember you said that the Survivor could be from a different franchise, and it probably would be. The main characters of The Nun aren't the best. I just like The Nun. And I'm trying to think of who I would like for a Survivor. Have you ever seen Wreck? I always go above 10. Is it the character's name is Angela Vidal? Or is that the actress? Either way, I think she, like the reporter, would be an incredible survivor, don't you? It's kind of like Train to Busan, where I'm like, I'm not really sure what the monsters would be like if that was the chapter. But I love the idea of that reporter as... Yep, the guy in The Conjuring that is also the guy in like a ton of horror movies. He's like a tall, nondescript white guy. Yes, I know exactly who you're talking about. Patrick Wilson.
Ladies. Gay?
Gay.
He's not gay, actually. But I'm gay for him. Ooh.
Ladies.
Yeah, he's like besties with James Wan, which is why he's in Aquaman or whatever. I never understood why he was in there. I like him much better in horror movies. I would die if they got Vera Farmiga to be a survivor. Ooh, another good chapter would be The Orphan. Are you kidding me? Hi, Shiva. How are you doing, friend? How you doing? Happy Sunday. You know the secrets to getting infinite altruism. Ooh. What do you mean infinite? Like just like infinite points from that category? Shreep, my killer of choice is the tall man from Phantasm, and my survivor is Herbert West from Reanimator. I love those answers. I haven't actually seen Phantasm. Can you believe it? Although that reminds me of Superstition. That was a great movie. The power would be flying saw blades. Shiva, you use invocation with plot twist and then let your friend heal you infinite number of times. Oh, that's interesting. That is very interesting. How'd you figure that out? Preferably if they have autodidact. That's funny. Did you hear? Autodidact is getting buffed. Wait. Go back. I'm not done. Seven. Shreep. Phantasm is really a bad franchise, but it is enjoyable. Raver the whoa. Phantasm is really a bad franchise, but it is enjoyable. Ravager, the final Phantasm movie, was torture, though. Oh no, not the torture. Ooh, we have a vampire queen. Yeah, I'll keep whatever. Shiva, LOL, you pull out an Eerie every time you do that. Well, I'll have to test that. That's crazy. How did you find that out? That's so specific. Did you have a friend who you did that with? Shiva, I watch a lot of YouTube. Oh, I see. A lot of YouTube. No, really, a lot. Well, it sounds like you get some really interesting tips from YouTube. I'm all up on TikTok being like, y'all play like this? I'm out here doing plot twist, and that's my exciting moment. And then people are like, do this tech and this tech in this situation, and then do this tech, and then there's this tech, and then don't forget the test and the tech test. Whew. Wish me luck getting points. Somebody didn't bring some. What's with that? Poof. How come people always bring object of the obsession? What's with that? Oh, I didn't go through. Oh, that sucks. Is she gonna go down? I didn't go down to the right place. Whoopsies. Why did I see her aura? What kind of wall is that? Too much for Nurse, that's for sure. I have a tickle. Tell all your friends to come find you in the basement. You light up the whole team for them. The whole thing for them. Is anyone gonna get this one? Guess not. My turn. Can these blinks stop being dumb? That was terrible. I might as well just walk out of here with my feet touching the ground. Like some kind of pleb. I'm floating down the road. Oh. There we go. You go over there. Thank you.
Remember when? Wasn't you?
Not the never you mind. Also, I see Nancy, but I'm trying not really to go for her. What? Oh, hello. I love when they still drop the pallet. Bam. Guess nobody wants to save their friend. Sucks to suck. Okay, I don't know where this Nia is. And they're being very elusive. I don't appreciate it. There she is! Oh, Nia. Ooh, that was such a good guess that she went to the left there and not to the right. To the left, to the left. All the survivors in a hook to the left. Hi, Ridire. Thank you for the lurk, friend. I hope you're doing well. Happy Sunday. Ooh, we're going fast. Zooming. Oh my god, what's happening over here? Who's missing these skill checks? Beep beep. Got him. Aw, not sending her to the basement. I didn't even mean that. Big, strong blinks. Oh, that's the what, Nia? Oh no, the Thalita died! She wasn't supposed to! I was literally putting all these people on Death Hook and that's it, okay? Maybe it's because her friends weren't coming to get her, but that's sad. That makes me so sad. So sad. Nancy. Ooh, so close. Nancy, you've been here before, haven't you? Stranger things have happened. Y'all, I'm so funny. Be hooked. Y'all, can y'all remember who's not on Death Hook? Is it the elf or is it? I think it is the elf. I don't think it. I think I hooked the streamer twice when what's her face died, and I was very sad about it. Thalita wasn't supposed to die, y'all. Are they both going for the save? Is that what's happening? I hear scratch marks. Yeah. What? I can't believe I didn't go through that wall. This paper thin wall. What's happening? There you are. Oh, I was gonna do it. Yep. Ah! They better not leave her to die. Not the Jubilee. We made it. How many points do you think we got for this match? 12? Bye. Oh, I didn't have a challenge selected. Ooh, I got 200K.
Ladies.
Hi, Sophia. Are you having a good night, Sophia? I hope so. 8. Yes, I've been lurking the whole time. Well, thank you. Thank you for hanging out. Okay, Myers is up to 10. The killers go so much faster because they don't have the other anniversary items like flashlights and med kits and toolboxes. It's all offerings. Why do it be making that noise? Inugami, hello. Thank you for the lurk. I appreciate you. Aren't you streaming? Thank you so much for lurking while you're streaming. I appreciate you. Let me come lurk in your stream. Drink your water. Just like I just did. Yamaoka.
Predictable.
Can they tell I'm spinning? Also, sorry if this makes anybody nauseous. Look away, look away. The last time survivors started with this, they didn't have fun with me. They were like, obviously this nurse is very toxic. I like that this person's name is Buttermilk. Buttermilk. Let's say hi to our friends. Hello. I see nothing. I didn't see anything. There's nothing happening over there. I only see Dwight. Because you know what? Dwight has betrayed me by being a dork. I'm coming for you. Phoenix Gaming. That was so accurate. I can't believe that. If I was that Bill, I'd be like, woo! Ah! Woo! Just like that. Remote hook from 2 seconds away. Stuck in. They're all over there still. That's funny. Sasha Von Vicious. I love that name. Why didn't you run to the pallet? I always wonder why survivors don't go to the pallet that's right next to them. They're fast. What? Not it being called taking out the trash. How disrespectful. Let's see. Bill's been hooked. Dwight's been hooked. Meow, beep beep. Meow. Ah! Can I send them there? Oh, I guess it wasn't the closest hook. Okay, it's your turn. Where is she? There she is! At least she went to a pallet. I could go through windows too. Can't believe I opened that locker. My bad. I love that people are running Boil over even though there's insta hooks. I just don't want her to have to go to basement. I'm sorry.
Nice work.
What? Oh, where? What? Okay, there he is. He's so fast. Oh. Where? Where? Oh, thank you for revealing yourself, demon. Ooh, that was good. That was good. Very fast. Very good. Very fast. Zoom, zoom. Zoomy, zoomy, zoom.
You got tricked. Tricked.
Has Dwight been hooked twice? I don't know. I don't know. I hope they don't die. Hey, they're not dead. Now I need Sable. Is it Sable who's on Death Hook? I don't know. Now I don't know. I think it's Sable and maybe Kate. I love you. That Kate was like, I don't trust you. Which, how dare they? I'm a very nice killer. They must be at the other gate, right? Wasting time because girl's broken. So were they really just hanging around for nothing? I remember that Kate yesterday who was body blocking, so I literally couldn't, what do you call it? I literally couldn't moonwalk. pet. It is a vape. Like a vape pen. Oh, none of them are PC. That's fine. That's fine. Ooh, there's about to be an ad. Beware. Your current flavor is banana taffy? Oh, you were asking like what flavor. I didn't even think about that. I was like, it's not a crayon. Some people think I'm sucking a crayon. Actually, nobody's ever said that. I made that up. Could you imagine? You're like, what is that, Crayola? My current flavor is sour skunk. I've been loving sour skunk. I'm a sativa bitch. A sativa slut. I mean, if you were a Marine, it would check out. Maybe. Did they suck on crayons in the Marines? How am I able to bring that guitar or the lute playing perk and also plot twist?
Big thumb energy.
Not the big thumb energy. That's funny. Banana taffy sounds like it tastes real good. I've had a banana flavored, or like banana named and a slight banana flavor, and it was like a straight up banana Laffy Taffy, just like banana taffy implies. Lame. Not the singularity. That would have been different. Oh, I need to activate it in Chase. I see. I'm alone in this lobby. You just got Shrek'd. That's kind of funny. What? It ate my offering? I thought when the game's DC, it gives you your offering back. Behavior, you have some splaining to do. Prestige 14, yay!
Ladies.
I'm bringing plot twist, ladies. Get ready for chaos. You just got Shrek'd.
Let's make this team
Hi,
memorable, shall
Leon.
we?
Yeah, you go. I don't even think that was urban evasion. I think it's just the regular crouching with the speed boost. What monstrosity is? I mean, I know it's the dredge, but like, my goodness. That's the Iron Maiden one? I'm not quite sure. Drummer. Just like Tumblr. Are they laggy or is it like, what's happening? Is it me? Oh. Why are you chasing her? She just got off hook. Leave her alone. Oh, maybe he's not even chasing her. Not me being overprotective of my drummer, Kate. Ooh. Should I get 2 totems? Should I be selfish, ladies? How am I gonna get ahead on a dredge? I'm gonna try. You know it. Steve, no! Not the basement. Damn. I did it! I had on a dredge. I did it! I danced with the devil and I lived. I lived. Ah! Ah! Oh my god, I thought I was already injured. Are you kidding me? The fear in my heart was so real. Sucker. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. I'm sorry to anybody who heard that. Woo. That was wild, and that was great. Thank you, Steve. How come you don't have the progressive pride flag? Oh my god, Leon has the same running tactic as me. A 3, really? That was supposed to work. Iron Grasp seems redundant when there's insta hooks. Just fine. Coming. Wow, that's tunneling. Oopsies. Oopsies. Oopsie poopsie. Ooh, I still got 100k. Charizard, they have a good name. I approve of that name. Sorry for the yawns. Maybe I'll actually switch to plot twist this time. Oh, well, I was gonna level people up, but never mind. Ooh, Sophia, you want to join? Absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna go put on sweatpants because I'm cold. Feel free to join when you get on. I'll be right back.
Ladies.
And 6, that's tea.
Okie dokie, I back. Hi, Mama Steve. Who was I on? Jane, I think? Not at all. I think it was right after Ace. Fang. Oh, he came back. Oh, man. Yeah. Good luck for you as well, Sophia. I think we're gonna be fabulous. Maybe a little rusty. You're so silly. I doubt that very much. Whoa, I almost picked Steve. Could you imagine me picking Slurp? Never. Never in a bazillion, gajillion, bazillion years. Just kidding. I love playing Steve. Steve is great.
Ladies.
Finally, he's sitting in the right position. We celebrate these things. Yeah, who brought Midwich? Late at night, I have nightmares of not working on Dead by Daylight. Aw, not the capitalism. Hello there to all my fellow people from Spain. Aw, hi David. They work for Behavior from Spain? That's really cool. Yum, yum, yum. Wow, opening that chest gave me 5,000 points. Also, ladies, it's the Xenomorph.
Ladies.
The Xenomuffy. Xenomussy. Where's the gen this is related to? Oh, it must be that gen. Let me move this. Oh, there's two Steves. Peyton. Peyton is such a nice name. Would you call them Pay? Hey, Pay! Or would you call them Ton? Hey, Ton. Like a ton of bricks. Got him. Oh no. Is Meg gonna drop down? What's paramecium? If it's bad, don't tell me. Oh, it's a unicellular thing. Interesting. Never heard of it. Not Mama's Beeb. Do they have Monstrous Shrine or something? Like, why are you dying so fast? Kind of like 20 bucks says they do have Monstrous Shrine. It's just too fast. Ah! Stuck-in. Stuck-in. Oh. They have the cool skin. I love it. Y'all, I can't wait for Halloween this year. And the next year. And the next year. Also, I think Weave Attunement just drops your item once you deplete it yourself. But you also get your aura shown to them. I'm not sure, though. I don't know Vecna's perks too well. Yay! I'm invited. That was fast healing. Beep boop. Boop boop. Beep boop. I'm coming, Peyton. Oh, just kidding. Mama Steve got you, I guess. Guessing y'all are healing like right here. Oh my gosh, this is not Mama Steve, this is Peyton. Oh no, Mima Steve. Boop, 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 doo, boop, doo, doo. I juiced him. Ah! If you clip it, you'll have to show me. I was gonna come for the save, but nobody else is on a gen, so I'll be the gen doer. Unless this Peyton isn't gonna get to you on time. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you for the water redemption, Goth. How are you doing? I hope you're still having a lovely night. We're getting our blood points in, let me tell you.
You cheated. Just kidding.
Oh, do you think they'll get here soon enough? Yep. No! They almost did it. They almost fell down. That would have been so funny. I didn't know you could stand here. You'll never know. I kind of forgot I had plot twist. Okay, and let's go. Well, that happened. Xenomusty, come back. Xenomusty, come back. Thank you again for the redemption, God. Almost missed that. Oh no, Mama Steve. Yay, you got out.
Ladies.
This should be good blood points. Ooh, don't mind if I do. Imagine if this was Noed. Like, you'd find it immediately if you were at the exit gate. I'm so glad, Sophia. I'm proud of you. Talk about being rusty. Get out of here. You get out of here. Let's not be mean and toxic and awful. Yes, the moonwalking! Oh, I love them. I wish I had seen them at the end. I was gonna plot twist for them and everything. How do you walk backwards, Meg? How do you do it? Fruit in Pursuit. That is such a great name. Let's see. Weave attunement for the first time. Increase the duration of spending pins. Yeah, they don't have one that actually depletes it except for Franklin's. 2, 3. Does that put it at 4? Oh, 3. You think we've played with this Leon before? Ooh. Let me see if I recognize them with my Leon eyeballs, magnet eyeball. What am I talking about? Sable, do you have any cakes? Okay, good. We're not bringing this. Oh, I guess I'm running balanced landing and head on. I wonder if that's Brian from Twitch. I don't know them personally, but I know a Brian with a Y from Twitch, that I've seen it before in other channels and the such and the things and the you know. Thank you for the good luck, Sophia. Good luck to you as well, sweet. Thank. Ew, I don't like that. I was gonna call you sweetie, but then that also felt weird, so I was like, sweet thing, and then that also felt just the worst.
Not saying anything, but yeah, I'm just not saying anything.
You better get a 20. Pathetic. She didn't even get a magic item, right? Doesn't this close eventually? Like, when is it our turn? For the treasures. Also, Sophia, I have head on. Head on, ladies. Let's see if I get a 20. Let's do it! Not the 11. I'm coming. Wow, they're not even coming for you. Wow. Where is he? Come in front of the locker. Ah! Ooh, not the slap in the face. Damn. How did he know? How did he know I was there? Ah! Uh-oh. Oh my god, he's so fast! Ah! Oh my goodness. That was bonk bonk. Fang, it's not that serious. You didn't have to DC. Thank you, Brian. I wonder if it's the Brian. If it's the Brian I'm thinking of, they have like a ton of hours. I'm not even gonna save the Fangbot. Literally saw him cast the Orb of Confusion or whatever. Are you kidding me? 19 but not 20? Let me do a little dance for you. Beep, 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 beep. Not him shaking his head no at you. I'm sorry. He's coming. Meow. Beep, beep. Not Leon getting attacked by a freaking chest. Whoa, I'm being attacked by a headache. He sees nothing. Ah! Run! It's coming! Ooh, close, Sophia. You were almost in the right position. Or almost. Mostly. Oh, I see the eyeballs. I'm not getting fooled. Not today, Satan. What was that visual effect? Beep beep. Yeah, it was worth it. Oh, I never checked if that killer had a skirt trick or not. Bye. Boop boop. A 2? Wow. Uh-oh. I hadn't been invited yet.
What it all means.
11. I suck. No, no, Mama Thief. You don't deserve this fate. Not the basement. Hi, pet. I made a necklace for my friend. It has green adventurine. Haha, stucker! Dried chamomile, green glitter, and gold mica, and glow powder, making sure she gets all the money and prosperity and friendship. I love that. That's amazing. I bet it looks beautiful. When are you giving it to your friend? Why am I an idiot? When my bullshit mistakes don't get punished, I love it. You're mailing it to her for her birthday. I love that. I'm sure she's gonna love it. And I'm gonna be jealous of all the money she gets. Now the prosperity, she can keep that. JK. Did he go chasing after? Do you think he knows? Pet. Even better, it was the first piece I made with the epoxy kit she gave me for my birthday. Ah, that's perfect. I'm sorry that Leanne died. We found it! Woohoo!
Ladies.
And sis, that's tea.
I'm so excited. That's exciting. I can't believe it. I really don't think that Fang needed to DC, but that's fine. Oh, machine learning. Is my game okay? I think my game is frozen. Also, Sophia, I think this next one will be my last. Yeah, right, Boo? Your game said nope. It's like I can still hear the music. As long as it's the game and not my computer. But OBS seems okay. Okay, we're ending it. I do want to play the last game though. What the heck? get to wait 6 to 7 business days for the game to open now, right? Not the judgment coming straight from Sophia. It really is gonna take 37 days. Yay, it's opening. Pet, I'm off to bed, love. Have a wonderful last match and rest of your stream. Thank you so much for hanging out, Pet. It was lovely getting to chat and talk with you and hang out. Thank you, thank you, thank you for coming in with the raid and just being wonderful. Thank you, thank you. Can't wait to hang out again soon. Also, do you do tarot readings? My friend said they were getting back into doing tarot readings and my mom was having surgery and they did a reading to, you know, see if the outcomes were good and it was all good. And so I just wanted to know if anybody else in here does. I'm still learning myself. But also, Pet, please sleep well. Have a lovely Monday. We're gonna start this week off amazing. I just know it. What does it look like here? Interesting. Okay, anyways. Florges, aw. Aw. Oh my gosh, she's only at 5. 6. Also, Zach, I was thinking maybe just every month we should clear out the Pokemon catches for everybody. And if people want to like keep a specific one or whatever, they should let me know. But that's just my opinion. I'm not quite sure about it. Whoa, what's with that? Sophia, 2 cakes. Ah! Well, to make you feel better, I hope you will love to find out that I didn't bring one because I forgot. I forgot that Renato didn't have any. Whoa. Check it time. I'm in this locker way over here. Yes. Ah, what did I do? No! That was so close. But their positioning was too good. Aww, not the basement. Basement. I'm a new. Whoa, it's so weird seeing you as Felix again. Wait, I thought you were gonna heal me.
You cheated.
Wow. No. Wow. Booty. Booty. Uh-oh. Come over here, Chucky. Oh, that's how they got healed. Chucky. I want to stun thee. Oh no. You're not even wearing the good Felix skin. Wow. Oh, whale. Oh, they had a Mori? Wow. What a waste. Oh, 3 flashlights and you're surprised they brought Lightborn. I think I am still gonna keep that as my last game because the reason I'm ending is because I have a headache. And it doesn't feel good. Sophia, thank you so much for the games. Thank you for joining. It was nice to play with you again. I had missed playing with you because it's been a minute. You know what I mean? Light. Yeah, I would have gotten a flashy save. Oh, well, next time. But you did good the previous games. Don't you worry. Thank you for hanging out, Zach. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for being here and for supporting me. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for vibing. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being fans of Light. My next stream is Tuesday. I possibly could stream tomorrow, but you never know. But yeah, until then, I hope you all have a lovely Monday. Be kind to yourselves. It's rough out there. Nobody is gonna be kind to you, so why won't you be kind to yourself? Give yourself a break. Okay, I love you. Bye. See you Tuesday. Bye.